G'day, I'm Ian Upton from Martin and Associates Consulting Engineers. I've been with Martin and Associates since 1994 and am a general structural engineer, do a little bit of everything, and in particular lightweight steel framing is one of my passions and interests. So whenever a job comes along with that component in it, I get my teeth into it and thoroughly enjoy it. Right, the structural framing for this project, it's a simple building, set of very simple buildings, single story, large span trusses, so there weren't really too many difficulties. We had some high walls which we had to brace for wind laterally, and the open plan areas just required some piers in the walls, which the architect initially wasn't happy with, but settled for it, which is any other normal building would have had a similar type of configuration in the wall to give his lateral stability. So in this particular project, very simple concept, and the framing was pretty straightforward. This project stands out against perhaps other steel projects, lightweight steel projects that I've done. I think the cooperation at the design phase, it was unprecedented, and the interaction we had with the client and the client's vision in allowing that to happen, and they had a fairly set idea of what they wanted. However, we were able to achieve certain things with them, but working with them, so the level of cooperation and the lightweight steel frame gave us a few extra options because we allowed them flexibility in the future by them being able to move internal walls around on a surface bed that doesn't require changes to foundations. Construction process, initially very quickly, the plinths were done, completed conventionally. We checked, we got them right this time, so there were no discrepancies or not many discrepancies in dimensions. And we had a few challenges contractually on the project through various reasons, and which meant that we had phases of no construction on site, and then we had phases of intense construction, and the steel framing allowed us to come with a pre-packed building virtually and get it up very quickly to allow the finishes to follow. And we were able to accommodate in the design as well the potential air handling and also the accommodation of solar panels on the roof. We've designed for that. On this project, what I'm most proud of is the interaction between all the parties from a design to completion stage. It just showed I've always been an advocate of a JV specialist type of team for this mode of construction, because it's then built by people that understand it and designed by people that understand it. And it's shown in this project we were able to achieve a fair amount within a reasonable budget to produce a very simple A-grade office at a very cost-effective and time-effective perspective. So